Hi, funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Oh. What is it? Oh, it's shaped like a circle. Is it a basket for carrots? Oh. No, there's a top on it. What is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, it makes a sound. Oh, I know. It's a drum. Listen to that. What if... What if I use this stick? Ooh. Oh! Listen to that. That makes a loud sound. I know. It's a drumstick to play the drum. Bum, 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 bum. Drum, 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 bum. Drum, drum, drum. Drum, drum, bum. Drum, drum, drum. It makes music. And it's very noisy. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, bunny bunnies. Oh, hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. I'm playing hide and seek with my teddy bear. He's hiding, and I'm seeking. First, I cover my eyes like this. And then I count to 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. I can't see him anywhere. Where is he? Oh, can you help me find him? All right. Where's that teddy? Do you see him? You do? Over here? Oh, up here? He's hard to find. How about here? Oh, there he is. We found him. Thanks for helping. Okay, Teddy. Now I hide and you seek. 1, 2, 3. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Look. A cat. Cats say meow. 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 Ooh, a fluffy tail. Very fluffy. And long whiskers. That tickles. Cats say meow, and they purr. Oh, do you think Kitty wants a toy? Oh, here's a toy for you, Kitty. Meow. Meow. She likes it. Meow. Meow. Purr. Purr. Purr.